If you are new to my channel, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. This is Kehinde Up channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw or sell your USDT. How to sell your USDT on BingX. On BingX using what? Using the BingX P2P. How to sell your USDT using BingX P2P. Now this BingX is a crypto exchange platform where you can trade different cryptocurrency like BTC, like Ethereum, like Solana. You can trade any coin of your choice. So now in my last video I told you about I can do what? How you can actually deposit using BingX P2P. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Now when you sign up using my link below this video, so you should make sure you do your verification. So you do your verification. You can use your national identity card or you can use your BVN to do your verification. So if you use your BVN, it will be very faster than the NIN or any national ID card that you use in your country. So after doing your KYC, so log into your account and come to this asset. Come to asset below here. You can see asset here. So click on assets. This asset, you can see asset here. Click on it. So click on asset. Then click on deposit. Click on this deposit here. Click on deposit. Click on P2P. You can see P2P. So this is P2P. It said buy crypto with fiat. So if you want to use Nigeria Naira to buy USDT or to buy any coin, so you can use your local currency to buy any coin. So because I'm from Nigeria, you can see that it is showing what? It is showing my Nigeria Naira. So you click on P2P. Now so when you click on P2P, it will take you to the P2P dashboard. Now when you go to P2P dashboard, if you remember if you have watched my last video, I told you how to buy USDT using what? Using the P2P platform. So now I'm going to show you how to do what? How to sell your USDT. How to sell your USDT. So let me go back again. So let me go back. Okay. So let me go back. I want to go to the home page. It's like the P2P I'm seeing is not the one I used in the last video. So let me click on this more. Click on this more. You can see more here. Click on it. Click on this more. So when you click on more, so you take it to click on P2P. Now, so when you click on P2P, so you're going to see. So this is the. Let us allow you to load. So this is one that I used yesterday, but like the one I saw recently is not the one I used. So when you get to this P2P, you are going to see naira. So you can see that it is showing what? It is showing my currency. So if you want to change your own currency, you can click on this place. Just click on this place to change your currency. Now, because I said I want to show you how to sell your USDT, so just click on sell. You can see on sell. Click on sell. So in my last video I told you how to buy, so go and watch that video. So click on sell. You can see. So when you click on sell, it will bring some vendor. You can see that it's not showing anything. Let's see what, okay, it has come up. You can see. So if you want to sell, make sure that you sell to a verified vendor. You can see this one that is written on. It said recommended. You can see. So they have even recommend a vendor for, so you can use that recommended one, or you can try other person that you feel that okay, you can, so you can sell to another vendor. So based on the price, you can see the price is different. So you can let's say I want to sell this to, so let's say I want to sell to this person, the second person, prime wave. So just click on sell. So when you click on sell, it will show you the, you can see they have told us that this vendor can only buy what, between $35 to $1,000. So that is it. So now make sure you choose your payment method that you want. So let me click on payment method. You can see, so it is in what, bank transfer. So make sure that it is in what, bank transfer. And if you feel that the vendor you are selling to is not buying the amount you want to sell, just click on, come here and click on amount. Click on amount to do what, to put the amount you want to sell. Let's say you want to sell what, you can just click, you can just put any amount that you want there, then click OK. So that's how to do it. So that's it. If you are getting value from this video, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.